In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Tag Manager in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to track and analyze your website traffic more efficiently, integrating Google Analytics with Tag Manager is an excellent way to do it. Let's dive in and get started right away. First, head over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business page on the Google Analytics website. This is your starting point where you can access all the tools you need. Once you're on this page, look for the option that says Sign into Analytics. If you don't already have a Google Analytics account, you'll want to create one. But assuming you've got that sorted, go ahead and click on that sign in button to access the dashboard where you can manage your analytics data. Now that you're signed in, find and click on the Google Analytics homepage. This is essentially the dashboard of your analytics account where you can see an overview of all your data streams. It's a great place to familiarize yourself with the kind of data you'll be collecting once everything is set up. Next, we'll navigate to the settings. Generally, you can find the settings option on the lower left side of the dashboard. It's here you'll lay the groundwork for any changes or updates you want to apply to your analytics settings. Once you're in settings, look for a tab or section called Data Streams. A data stream in Google Analytics signifies different sources from which data flows into your Google Analytics property. Now, after you've located the Data Stream section, click through until you come across an option that says View Tag Instructions. Opening this will bring up the detailed instructions on how to integrate your Google Analytics with other platforms, which in our case will be the Google Tag Manager. The final step we're focusing on today is right inside those instructions. Look for where it says Install Manually. Clicking here will provide you with the necessary tracking ID or script snippet that you need to copy and implement in your Tag Manager. To wrap up, make sure you carefully follow the manual instructions to paste that code snippet into your Tag Manager account. This is crucial for successfully linking your website analytics data with your Tag Manager, ensuring you can track important events and metrics from your site. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated Google Analytics with your Tag Manager, a pivotal step for more detailed insights into your website traffic and better informed decision making. Be sure to revisit your analytics data often to make the most of the powerful insights at your disposal. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy analyzing.